Now I got a broom. Let's see if I can get it to go out the right way. See, it's up there. Birdie. Birdie. No, wrong way. Ah! Shoot. You gotta stop doing that. Birdie. Why can't you see this other window? Go on. No, 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 no. Ah! Oh, can you not see that window right there? Look, look. See? Look. That's a big beak. Oh, thank you. Oh, no, no, no. Right back into the living room. Oh, my gosh. Oh, you're kidding me. You are kidding me. Bird, you are dumb. Why did you fly right back in the house? You flew out one door and right back in another. Oh my gosh.